Hola, 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 ¿cómo están mis estimados aprendices? ¿Todo bien, todo azul? ¿Qué me cuentan? ¿Cómo trata la vida? Hola, ¿me escuchan?
Sí,
Hello.
mister. Hola, mister. ¿Cómo está?
Hola, hola, ¿todo
Hola,
bien?
mister.
Bueno, primero que todo, mis estimados aprendices, antes de comenzar la clase, solo para avisarles que de momento en los archivos que ustedes van a encontrar en la plataforma de EduBox están desactualizados. Simplemente esos archivos pertenecen a la clase de séptimo grado del año pasado. Entonces, esta tarde, si Dios lo permite, yo lo estoy actualizando y se los haré saber para que ya puedan consultar y poder resolver su primera tarea. ¿Ok? Bueno, entonces, otra cosa. Aquí nos quedamos en el último problema el día de ayer, completo esta tabla de frecuencia, y en el otro, esta vez me tomé el costo de revisar el vídeo y en el problema anterior a este, copiarlo todo, con los datos ordenaditos, con el rango y la amplitud de la clase, y hasta donde nos íbamos a donde habíamos quedado. Y juntos vamos a terminar de resolver esa tabla. ¿Estamos? O sea que ese segundo problema de aquí ustedes ya lo tienen. Es del video de la clase del 2 de febrero, que nos quedamos hasta ahí. Y vamos a hacer la corrección de la frecuencia, de la producto de clase con la frecuencia y la frecuencia acumulativa. ¿Ok? So, let's going to begin in the last part yesterday. Remember, we're creating the table of frequencies. Okay, we established interval classes. We started the class part frequency, the product between them, and the absolute frequency. So actually, according for the requirements in the problem yesterday, we are finished already because the problem asking for only create the table of the absolute frequencies. I mean, this table in simple merely words. But just because we are practice a lot of this to calculate the mean, the median, and mode, we're going to calculate the median, the mode also. All right. Remember, in the first part, the arithmetic mean, remember, is the addition between the product of the frequency times the class mark divided by the number of data. So that's why it's so important to add in these two columns, because at the moment we're going to substitute the median, the formula from the arithmetic mean, sorry, will be easier for us. So this result gave us by 1,138.5 divided by 15 units. So for that reason, the arithmetic mean in this situation will be given by
I got 75.9.
75.9. All right. 79.5. I'm going to take you the word. Okay. 79.5. Okay. That was the first thing that we have to do. Remember, we must to divide 1,138.5 divided by 15. And the answer, just as the partner says, 75.9. Perfect. Now, before to establish the median, remember we have to looking for the position of the median. Position of the median is the first thing that we have to do before to calculate the median. Remember the position of the median, we have two ways. When the addition of the absolute frequencies, I mean, these regular frequencies is even number, the only thing that we have to do is divide and divided by 2. But in this case, because we have an odd number, the position of the median is given by the addition between n plus 1 over 2. So simple merely words, 15 plus 1 over 2, the position of the median will be given by 8 units. Okay, this is the position of the median. Because the screen 1 value represents the odd numbers. And remember, in this position will be located in the column of the absolute frequency. We're going to looking for obviously the number who's bigger than this one is the number 8 and approaches to the number 8. All right.
9.
And that will be 9. But just for remind you, just in case, once again, if this number is matching, because just to tell you the truth, the probability that happens is so reduced, but it could happen. If this number 8 will be matching for one of these situations, the median, you don't need to calculate the median. The only thing that you have to do is taking the superior limit of the interval class, just in case, it's matching. All right, and you're right. The position of the median, we have 9, but we have two numbers lines, this one and that one. So I have a question for you. Because we have two number 9 matching, who's going to be the row chosen one in this case? The first one or the second one? What do you think? Because we have two numbers. Yep. Vamos. ¿Cuál de los dos?
Is the first one because it's more like it will be more closer about it.
Well, actually, it's the first one because the second one, there is no value, 0, 0. That's why we are not, this is unuseful because we don't have values from the frequency and the class bar. For that reason, we're going to take the first one because we have values in that situation. So the row chosen one in this case will be given by this one. All right. Because the second one, there's no value over here, 0, 0. So that's why we're going to discard the second number 9. So remember, what is the formula from the median? Formula from the median is median equals lower limit plus
C, open parentheses, n plus 1 over 2.
And plus 1 over 2 minus the frequency sub, I mean the superior frequency divided by the frequency then of the median. Excellent. Now, because we know what is the position of the median, perfectly, the only thing that we have to do is replace those values. Sorry. The lower limit, what will be the lower limit?
It'll 73.
73. Push it to the limit.
73 plus 3, because that's the class range.
And
Open parentheses,
that will be 8. Minus 8 minus freak sub. Oh,
9.
No.
Wait.
4. It will be 4.
4 over.
Oh, yeah.
Over. Well, that will be 4.
Over
the frequency of the median, that will be
5.
5. Excellent. So the median, we got 73 plus, okay, 8 minus 4 is 4 times 3 will be, okay, 4 times 3 will be 12, right?
Yeah.
12 over 5. So please add 7 plus 12 over 5. Remember, please add 73 plus 12 over 5.
It'll be 377 over 5.
Hold on. 13 plus 12 over 5. Okay, you said? Again?
377 over 5.
377 over 5. In decimals, that means
75.4.
Excellent. 75.4. 75.4. 0.4, not 0.5, sorry. 75.
Wait, mister.
75.
I don't know why you gave that answer.
75.4.
Wait.
You had to add 73 plus 12 fifth. Because
oh yeah,
a minus, all right, a minus 4 will be 4 times 3, 12 over 5. Add this one, 377 over 5, that will be 75.4. And remember, if you really want to check if you're doing well or grown, just like take a look at the interval classes. The interval class that's supposed to be located between 73 and 76. And because 75.4, it's located between this range, that means we're doing well. All right.
Teacher, I came a little bit late because of my internet, and I just wanted to ask you, how did you get the 4?
This number 4. Which one? This one.
Yes,
Simple.
that one.
Because of the, remember, freak superior. Oh, this is P. I not say, I know why I'm writing the letter B is P. Sorry. Superior frequency. Sorry, my apologies. I don't know. I don't know why. I don't know why I'm writing for the letter B, because every time I'm using the blue marker, and because I'm fan from playing Mortal Kombat, so I'm almost remember Sub-Zero. That's why I'm using the sub, but this sub, S-O-P, S-U-P, superior, over. That's why.
Okay, that's why.
Sorry, my apologies, my dear son. You can fix that part of the formula instead. Sub.
And Mr. Where it goes the 3 of?
The number 3. This
Yes.
number 3 is that without the class or the amplitude.
No,
remember?
I know, but where it goes right now.
Simple. Remember, 8 minus 4 will be 4, right? 4 times 3.
Oh, 12. Okay.
12. That's fine.
No, yes.
Okie dokie. Now let's going to calculate the mode. But remember, before to calculate the mode, I had to calculate the value from delta 1 and delta 2. Remember, to calculate the mode is the frequency, absolute frequency of this located over here, whose repeat at the most period of time, right? So remember, to find delta 1, I have to subtract, in this case, the frequency of the mode will be located in this column, right? Why? Because it repeats 6 times. We need to use these values, okay? Remember, to determine the mode, I'm going to identify by the column of the absolute frequency. This is a cumulative frequency. This is absolute frequency, or frequency, if you want to say in that situation. And because the number 6 is greater than all of these numbers, okay? So remember, delta 1, I'm going to subtract 6 minus the superior number, the upward frequency. 6 minus 0 will be
6.
6. All right, perfect. And because
wait, Mr. Why did you choose the last line?
Because remember the concept, the mode. The mode is the number or the factors whose repeat at the most frequency. What frequency? The absolute frequency. I mean, this capital letter F. And
it's the greater number of the frequency.
It's simple, not any worse. We have to use the greater number, but this absolute frequency or the regular frequency. Understood?
Yes.
Yes, and that will be the value of delta, right?
It is equal to be delta 1 because we have to subtract 6 minus 0, okay? And
delta 1 and delta 2 will be 6.
Will be 6, perfect, because there is no another frequency downward than number 6. Remember, this number 15 is the addition of the old frequencies. So we are going to discard this number 15. So for that reason, delta 1 and delta 2 will be the same. Now let's going to calculate the
formula will be mode equals
the
L1
plus C
parentheses delta 1 over delta 1 plus delta 2.
Excellent. Delta 1 plus delta 2. So let's see what we got.
79 plus 3.
79 plus 3, open parentheses, 6 over 6.
Mr. Where you get the 79?
Lower limit? What is the lower limit?
Oh, yes.
So we got the devil's number. 6, 6, and 6. So
it'll be 12 divided by 6.
Oh, no, 6 divided by 12 is
totally different. If we simply will be 1/2.
1/2, and 1/2 times 3 will be 3.5, right?
Yes.
3.5. I mean 79 plus 3.5, and that will be 79.
161.
Hold on. Let me check this one. 79 plus 3.5, right?
Yes.
Hold on.
I just
3.5.
the
161 over 2.
yep.
161 over 2. That will be approaches
To 81 or
80,
80.5.
80.5. Okay, and that's it. And if you check the answer from the mode, this answer is supposed to locate it between these two parts and 79, 82. So 80.5, that's matching. So, and we are finally solved the problem that we made yesterday. Okay. Just for clarify, remember, the problem from yesterday, they're only asking for create the table of frequencies, the absolute frequency, hold on this part, because we are working practice a lot of this one. We are ready to calculate the mean, the median mode. Now, let's going to take a look at the second problem. You don't need to copy all of this stuff because you have this already. Remember, this is the second example that we made the last February 2. Actually, this is a problem is located in the video. As soon as you can see, there we got the arrangement of the values since the smaller one to the bigger one. We're calculating already the range. Remember the difference between the bigger one minus the smaller one, that will be 40 units, and the width of the class or the amplitude, as you want to say, is the division between the range and the number of classes. And the range was 40 units, and we have 5 interval classes. The number of the width will be 8 units. Okay, so we are constructible the interval of class since 2028, 28, 36, blah, 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 until the last one. Actually, we're going to include the number 60 because it's represented in the problem, okay? And remember the class mark we obtain divided by, or sorry, adding superior plus inferior limit. So it will be 48 divided by 2 will be 24. And you can continue with the same process, or if you wish, when you have the first answer, this first answer, adding the class, the width of the class, that will be 8 units, and we're going to have the same situation. All right, that was at this for the last part of the problem. Now, please pay attention, focus to this part in the third column in the absolute frequency or regular frequency. You don't need to subtract. No subtract, no adding, no elevated second power. No, we must only have to count the numbers who's accomplished this interval, the quantity of numbers who's accomplished between 20 and 28. Well, actually, without including the number 28. Let's going to count the numbers. All right, we're going to count the numbers who's accomplished this situation. All right, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the first one will be 6 units. Understood? Understood?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
The second one.
It'll be
28.
1.
Let's see. Yeah, there's only one. Well, yeah, there's only one because 28 over 36 will be only 34. Okay, now only one. Now, 36 until 43. Remember, we're going to discard 44. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Excellent. 7 units. Perfect. Now, 44 onto 52.
4.
No,
yes.
let's see.
No.
No. Let's see. 44 onto 52, right? 1,
1,
2,
2, 3,
3.
4. Just
No,
4.
3. Because remember, we are using this parenthesis. This parenthesis means I won't include the number 52. Remember, if I'm using the brackets, oh, that's clear. Okay. Again, I'm using the parentheses. Remember. So once again, 44 until 51 rule said. Okay. So we got 1, 2, 3. Understood? Understood?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, 3. And now in this last part, because both has brackets.
1.
Hold
It'll
on.
be 3.
Ah,
Hold on. Both has brackets. What does that mean when they had brackets?
That you can include 52.
I could include 52
The
and
52
60.
and 60.
For that reason, the quantity will be
You're
it will
we,
be 3.
there are 3.
3. 3 will be 3. 3 will be 3. Will be 3. All right, let's going to add. This is the
20.
way.
It's 20.
20.
It's 20, Mr.
20. And also you can match it if you count this one like 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 times 4, 20. All right. Sorry. It's totally different, right? With the last part you said, the last class, 35.
It was 35.
Does that, but just remember this addition that's supposed to matching with the original values. Okay?
Mr. And if I do not says nothing yesterday, we're going to have that wrong.
Yeah, I know.
And if you like an example, you put it in the exam of the third portion, we're going to have it all wrong.
Well, this is why it's so important thing to participate in class, because if we have a grown answer who made a mistake in the class, don't worry about it. You can
Sure.
fix it and there's no consequence, but if you made a mistake in the exam or class works, there's not gonna be. Yes,
You mentioned a homework.
no, I'm in simple Mary words, I didn't prepare yet the homework. I'll do it
so I don't
today.
have to worry about that.
If you check the, at least for this moment, if you check the EduBox platform, that homework, classwork says in that platform is outdated. So this is belongs to the last year.
Mr. So remember to it right now. I opened the class, and it says that we don't have homework. But I
Not
go
yet.
to Recursos
Yeah, I
de la
know.
Clases, and it says, but they are of the.
That's outdated.
The
I'll let you
uh-huh.
know. Hold on. I'll let you know when the platform is ready. Okay. I'll do it
Okay.
today and I'll let you know in the WhatsApp group.
For
all right?
what day it's going to be that homework, Mr.
Today until Wednesday.
Oh, okay. So we have time.
Yeah.
Why do you have to kill me, Mr.? I don't want to do homework.
Don't worry.
Mister.
The first one will be only for non-grouping data. The first homework.
Oh, okay. Thank
Only
you, God.
Only for non-grouping data. Now, the second one will be from this one. All right.
Why do you have to ruin my mood, Mr.?
Yeah, Mister. No.
All right. Let's continue. 24 times 6. 24 times 6. 24 times 6.
It'll be 144.
144.
34.
This is going to be
44.
obviously 32, right? This is going to
Yes.
be 280.
144
144.
and 100.
56, right?
Yes.
So please add all those quantities.
755.
700?
The last one
55.
is 168.
55 o 58. Vamos a ver. 6 más 4 son 10. 12. 12 más 4 son 6. Son 16. Aquí sería 6. Llevo una.
If I
4 y
multiply,
3 son 7. Ah, ¿en dónde?
wait, I think I have the data wrong.
Vamos a ver. 6 por
The
4,
last
24,
number.
llevo 2. Permítanme. 6 por 4, 24, llevo 2. 6 por 2, 12, 2, 14. Cheque. La segunda está cheque. La tercera está cheque. La cuarta, 3 por 8, 24, llevo 2. 3 por 4, 12, 14. 3 por 2, 6. 3 por 5, 15. Perfecto. Vamos a ver. 6 más 4, 10. 14 más 2, 16. Llevo una. 4 y 4, 8. Y 4, 12. Más 8 son 20. Más 5, 25. Llevo 2. 2 más 1, 3. 5, 6, 7. 756.
Mister, la respuesta que teníamos.
Es
Mister, la respuesta que
756.
teníamos.
Sí, estaba
Mister, la respuesta que
totalmente mal.
teníamos la pasada está completamente para el otro lado.
Pues sí, es que si está malo esto, lógicamente va a estar malo esto. All right.
Sí, pero por mucho fue
Pues sí. Yo no dije que era-
1400.
¿Por qué cree que le dije que íbamos a repetir todo? Porque no servía, por eso. All right. The accumulated frequency. Remember the first one? will be 6. The second one, 7. The third one, 14, 17, and 20. And if you see, always the last one that's supposed to matching with this one. And obviously 2020, that's supposed to matching with the quantitative data that you have originally in the problem, at the beginning of the problem. All right, so we have fully prepared to calculate the median and the mode. All right, the arithmetic mean. Remember, x equals the addition, the product, the class mark and frequency divided by the number of data. So the arithmetic mean will be given by 756 divided by 20. So the answer will be 756 entre 20. Vamos.
Es 37.8.
Jessica, es 3. Oh, wait, never mind.
Vamos a ver. Vamos a checar.
37.8.
Ya me están haciendo. Mejor lo reviso. Vamos a ver.
Víctor, aquí está.
756.
No es 37.8, mister, sí es cierto.
Es
Ah, bueno.
37.8.
Ah, bueno. Estamos checando. 37.8. Ok. 37.
Nada que ver con el 14 que teníamos, mister.
Pues sí, estaba todo malo, yo le dije. All right. That will be the beginning. Now, before to calculate the median, remember, position of the median. Position of median. The position of the median, because this is an even number, we only divide n over 2. I mean, 20.
Over 2, it will be 10.
That will be 10. So we're going to try to locate the position from the median in the accumulate frequency. All right. So
14.
will be 14 because 14 is greater than 10. And at the same time is the number which approaches to the number 10. So this is going to be the chosen one. The row chosen
teacher.
one row. See?
It isn't 14, it is
Remember,
13.
No, 13.
6 plus 7. 6 plus 7.
6.
No.
It's because
6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 3, 27. 17. 17 plus 3 is 20.
yes.
All right. So that row is the chosen one, right? So let's calculate the median. Median. So that formula, right?
The formula is the lead plus C.
Yeah, we got the formula located over there, so you don't need to copy once again. So 36.
I'm not copying it, mister. I'm just like erasing the things and copying it again.
All right, 36 plus the value from C is 8 units, right? Parentheses, remember, it will be 10 minus the upward frequency. So the upward frequency will be given by
14.
14. No. Upward frequency located over here will be
Wait,
7.
it will be 7.
7 will be 7 over what? The frequency from the median will be
20.
7.
Oh.
7 again.
No, 7. Wait.
Because it's matching, yeah. Acuérdese que es este
I'm confusing this.
menos de arriba dividido entre la frecuencia, que da la casualidad. Que queda puro 7 es otra cosa, que es pura casualidad. So let's begin. All right. 10 minus 7 will be 3. 3 times 8 will be 24. So 36 plus 24 over 7. That will be equal to, let's see, vamos a checar acá. 36 plus.
It will be 276 over 7.
The answer is 36. Like if you divide it in all.
All right, 276 over 7, right?
Fraction, it will be 276 over 7.
Yeah, 276 over 7. You're
And
right.
the answer is 37. But 36.
And
yes.
the decimal number will be 39.
39.4.
39.4. 39.4.
I added
39.4. 39.4. Right. And we're checking 39.4 is the same position, right? It's accomplished with interval on the mean between 36 and 44. Now, let's going to determine the mode. But before to determine the mode, remember, we have to look for what will be the value from delta 1 and delta 2. Remember, the position of the mode will be located, will be the biggest number, in simple merely words, the biggest number located in the column of the absolute frequency or this frequency, where causality will be the 7, because 7 is the greater number of this one. So we're going to use the same rule, So delta 1 will be given by 7 minus 1.
6.
I'm going to do it over here. 7 minus 1, sorry, will be 6. And 7 minus 3 will be 4, right? This is going to be the values from the median. Delta 1, delta 2, before to apply the mode.
The formula will be Li plus C, open parenthesis, 6 over 6 minus plus 4.
Exactly.
And close
36,
parenthesis.
right, 36 plus the value from C is 8 units, right? And delta 1 will be given by 6 over 6 plus 4. So the mode will be 36 plus, let me see them, 6 over 10. 6 over 10, let me simplify that expression. All right, A parentheses, 6 over 10. Remember, the calculator can be simplified that one at once, will be 24 over 5. 24 over 5, okay? And 24 over 5, adding 36. Oh, sorry, will be 204 over 5. 204 over 5, that will be equal to, in decimals, will be given by
40.8.
40.8, 40.8, 40.8, cha 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 cha. Ta-da! And it's matching once again. And this, my dear students.
Now,
all
yes,
right.
we have a mode, Mister.
Yeah, we have the mode. Just for yesterday, we're just on the 777.
We don't have mode.
Bueno, ayer bueno, por lo menos aprendieron algo que si de alguna manera dar la moda todo igualito ahí, no tendrían. Pero sinceramente me extrañó, digo, pucha, qué raro ese ejercicio, que todo haya dado 777.
Sí. Es que a mí también me extrañó. Por eso es que le dije a usted que lo viéramos, pero...
Bueno, pues ahí está, mire, ya el ejercicio desde el principio solo ordenadito, del mayor dato al menor dato, perdón, al revés, del menor al mayor, completo, ¿verdad? Entonces, mis estimados aprendices, en son de broma ya se nos fue el tiempo de la clase. Gracias por su fina atención. Dios los bendiga, los guarde, los cuide. Los veo el lunes a la misma hora por el mismo canal. Cuídense, feliz fin de semana. Estén pendientes, yo les aviso.
Nos
por el
vemos,
grupo de
Mister,
WhatsApp.
que se mejore.
Gracias, hija. Bendiciones. Bye, bye. So long. Take care of yourself.